Looking for a barcode reader that makes setup effortless and delivers reliable performance from day one? In this RS product spotlight, you'll meet Omron's VHV5, the intelligent barcode reader customers love for its ease of use and automated setup that simplifies even the most complex applications. The VHV5 is Omron's next generation autofocus multi-code reader, designed to make deployment faster, easier, and more intuitive. With its automated intelligent setup, advanced imaging, and rugged IP69K protection, it is built to deliver consistent results with minimal effort, even in the demanding industrial environments. There are many features on the VHV5, but let's cover the key ones. Automated intelligent setup with its Smart Assist and Optimize automatically configures the reader for tough codes or high-speed lines. No manual tuning required. Its X Mode 6.0 algorithm enables reading virtually any 1D or 2D codes, including damaged or distorted marks, right out the box. Autofocus with liquid lens support multiple focal lengths for flexible mounting in a wide depth of field. It has IP69K ratings that withstand harsh washdown environments, perfect for food and beverage. Its ultra-bright integrated lighting is 15 times brighter than previous models and can come with diffuser and polarizer accessory options for glare-free imaging. Has a browser-based setup and monitoring with guided workflows, a dashboard view, and its Learn All Codes capabilities. And with its flexible connectivity, it can support Ethernet IP, Profinet, TCP IP, RS-232, and digital I/Os for easy integration into modern or legacy systems. Some key specifications include its frame rates of 80 FPS and 40 FPS, image sensors that come with 2.3 or 5 megapixels in CMOS, monochrome, or global shutter, lens options that include medium, narrow, and long focal lengths with autofocus, reading ranges from 50 millimeters to over 2,000 millimeters, PoE Plus or 24 VDC options, real-time barcode grading to ISO specifications, and supports all major 1D, 2D, and stack symbologies, including direct part mark. The VHV5 is ideal for food and beverage packaging, for IDing shiny labels on curved or wrinkled packages, automotive or electronic assemblies to detect part marks on metal, curved surfaces, and laser marks on ICs or PCBs, logistic automation for detecting various code types anywhere in the field of view, and printing and documentation handling, with reliable reads even in high-speed environments with easy deployment and maintenance. With the VHV5 series, you get reduced setup time by simplifying commissioning with its Smart Assist and web-based configuration, improves traceability to ensure code quality compliance, and maximize uptime with consistent reads and minimal setup efforts. We need a barcode reader that's powerful, flexible, and incredibly easy to use. Choose Omron's VHV5 series. Need help choosing the right product for your barcode reader application? Reach out to Omron or our RS Engineering Support Group to assist you. Visit our site in the links below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell for more RS product spotlight videos like this. Thanks for watching.